right, so right behind me here we have the Redridge Dam. It's a little bit north of, I guess, west of Houghton, Michigan. I've kind of driven by here before just to go to Lake Superior, but I've never flown my drone here. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it real well from here, but it's a pretty big steel dam. I thought it'd be perfect to go fly my drone with it. Mostly filming for Instagram, but I'll just pop it up on the side when I get my drone up in the air. And yeah, hopefully it's cool. So I'll see you guys on the other side. That went pretty well. I don't know. Wasn't the easiest flight ever. There's power lines, little trees, and a massive steel wall, so kind of sketchy, but I don't want to get too risky. Alright, so I just did the first flight. I think I'm gonna go for another one. I'll try to do a bit of a lead up into the dam from the little waterway here. I think that would look pretty cool. It's just really sketchy because there's a lot of scraggle in the branches, so hopefully I don't lose my drone here, but I gotta do it for the shot, so let's give it a try. Hi. How's it going? Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I'm just about to leave. I really apologize. No, I was just flying over the dam. I thought it was really cool, so. Sir, I really apologize. I won't be coming back, all right? Okay. So we just finished shooting a quick video here at Redridge Dam. Yeah, so a guy got a little bit upset at me there, so I'm just gonna pack up and leave, but I think I got a cool shot, and hopefully I didn't disturb him too much. I mean, he said we're good, but obviously he wasn't too happy about it, so just got this bad boy sitting here. I'm syncing it up to my phone with the new video, just so, you know, just to try to avoid anything getting corrupted, but otherwise I'm just gonna head back. I don't know if I have 2 more batteries, but I don't know where I'm gonna fly or if I'm gonna fly again. So yeah, this may be the end of the video, it might not. Alright, so I'm at the next location, which is pretty close to where I am currently living, and actually happens to be where I go to school. This is the Rosza building. It's kind of like the theater building and just the first building that you see when you come into campus from the highway, which you can't see behind these snowbanks. So yeah, I did a video here before, but it was before I knew what I was doing and sucked at editing and flying and everything. So kind of just gonna remake a video here, and hopefully it turns out a lot better. So yeah, stay tuned. 360 cam time, let's do it. Well, I think that was a success. I can't speak, but either way, it was pretty cool. I flew through a little bit of the, there's little end caps on the end of the building, so it'd be kind of cool. I use a 360 camera, so do a little rotation around it and see what it looks like. But yeah, this should be the end of the video since I don't have any more batteries and I'm pretty cold now. So yeah, I guess we'll see you in the next one then. Thanks for watching.